Today we're reviewing the Allen Sports 4-bike Hitch Racks with premier locking. Welcome to On the Fence. My name is Johan Manuel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Allen Sports 4-bike Hitch Racks with premier locking. Early this year, my wife got me a mountain bike, and since my son and daughter already had one, I couldn't wait to get my bike rack so I can take them on a trail. I needed a bike rack that can hold up to 4 bikes and also one that can be installed on a Jeep with a spare tire on the back. So I started my research. After several days of researching and looking for a nice, durable, and also affordable bike rack, I finally found it. But it was a little bit out of my budget. But I ended up buying it anyways. I needed it. So let's take a look to the Allen Sports 4-bike Hitch Racks with premier locking. These are the highlights. It was easy to assemble and install. You can also rotate the tie downs for different bike frame types. The rubber straps will keep your bike secure, while the deluxe locking will keep your bike's rack protected. You can also bring down the bike rack so you can open the tailgate without any problem. Bikes can easily be mounted. It comes with an extra strap in case you want to tie the bike's tires to stop them from moving while you drive. And it can hold up to 140 pounds. So the question is, do I recommend this product? And how would I rate it from 1 to 10, 10 being the best? Well, let me start by saying that I really like the product. It looked nice, it looked durable, and that is something that you look for. So I'm giving it a 10 because I've been using it so far since April and I haven't had any issues, and I know I'm gonna be using it for a long time. I hope you found this review useful. Feel free to leave your comments below, like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification button.